Hello, Montfortians. I hope you all are in your pink health. Today, we will continue with our EVS chapter, chapter number 1, Our Wonderful Body. Dear students, we have learnt internal organs. We have learnt about brain and heart. Today, we will learn more about those organs which are present inside our body. So, what is on your screen? Lungs. Do you know lungs are present inside our body? With the help of lungs, we do breathing. Okay? See how lungs looks like? Lungs. We are having two lungs in our body and you cannot see them because they are present inside our body. They fill up with air when we breathe in. My dear students, what we breathe? We breathe oxygen. We breathe air. So where they gets fill up? They gets fill up in our lungs. The lungs and the heart lies in the chest. I told you that where our heart is located, it is located in the left side of our chest. So lungs are also located in the chest. We are having two lungs. Number 3, we breathe through our lungs. My dear students, try to breathe, try to take a deep breath. You will feel like something is getting filled in your lungs. That is air. And when you get released, when you relax, the air gets out. So what happens to lungs? We breathe through our lungs and air gets filled in our lungs. Okay, students? So this is how lungs looks like. What is the role of lungs? We do breathing with the help of lungs. Now see the next one. Stomach. We all know where our stomach is. Touch your tummy. What is inside it? Stomach. See the picture of stomach. It looks like a bag. The stomach is below the chest. Okay, so in the chest, what are present? Which organs are present? Heart and lungs. And below the chest, what is there? Stomach is there. And how it looks like? It looks like a bag. The food we eat goes into the stomach. My dear students, whatever you eat, your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, where they go inside the body? All goes inside the stomach. The stomach helps us to digest that food. Okay? What helps to digest? Our stomach helps to digest that food. We chew our food properly. It goes into our body and stomach helps to digest it. Okay? So where our stomach is located? My dear student, it is present below the chest. Stomach helps to digest our food nicely. Okay? See the next one. Bones and muscles. Bones and muscles. See how bones and muscles looks like? There are so many bones and muscles in our body. Okay? Our body is made up of bones and more than 600 muscles. So many muscles we are having in our body. So many bones we are having in our body. Bones and muscles give shape and support to body. My dear students, how we are getting the support? Okay, how we are getting a perfect shape in the body? Because we are having bones and muscles. They give shape to our body. They give support to our body. Okay? Skin covers the bones and muscles in our body. My dear students, can you see? The hard one. This white one is bones and the soft one is muscles. So our body is made up of bones and muscles. And how it is covered? Because they have to be covered, right? So they are covered with our skin. Touch your skin. Touch your skin. And now press your skin. You will get to know the hard part is bone and the soft part is muscle. Okay, students? So bones and muscles are present inside our body. And how they are covered? They are covered with skin. Muscles and bones work together. My dear students, they are related to each other. Okay? How they are related to each other? Let's see. Muscles are fixed to the bones. Muscle makes the bone move. My dear students, I told you that bone is the hard part. Okay? If you will press your skin, you will see that the hard thing is bone. And what is attached to the bone? Muscles are attached to the bone. Muscles and bones helps you to lift your bag. Now a proper grip is required, proper strength is required to lift the bag, to throw a ball, to do swimming, run, skip and jump. How you are able to do all this? You are able to do this with the help of a grip, with the help of a strength. From where are we getting? From bones and muscles. Bones and muscles, they are connected with each other. They make the grip, and then we lift the bag, we throw the ball, we do swimming, running. Okay? That's why it is said that muscles and bones work together. Okay? The hard part, if you will touch your hand, press it tightly, you will see the hard part is bone and the soft which you are feeling is muscles. So muscles and bones, they work together. Okay? See the next one. Posture. Now what is a posture? Your teacher, your parents always say, sit straight beta, don't bend your back. Always sit straight, stand straight. Why? Because postures play an important role in our body. You will look smart if you will walk straight, if you will sit straight, right? Smart kids do that. And how the other one do that? They bend their body. That does not look smart. Okay? So what is a posture? Posture is a position in which we sit, stand and walk. What is a posture? It is a position in which we sit, stand and walk. So what is the right posture? See, the right posture is like this. Sit straight, stand straight, walk straight. Don't bend your back. Don't bend your body while walking or standing. Okay? It will affect your body posture. We must sit and stand straight. Dear students, we should always sit and stand straight. A correct posture makes you look smart. If you will walk nicely, if you will walk smartly and straight, you will look confident person. So your posture should be good. Your posture should be straight. Okay, students? So we are done with this chapter, our wonderful body. What we have learned in this chapter, that our body is like a machine. We are having two types of organs. Some organs are inside our body, some are outside our body. We also learned that muscles and bones are related to each other, and we are having posture also, which plays an important role. So we should sit and stand in correct posture. Okay? We are done with this chapter. I request you all to read and revise this chapter again. Okay? And if you are having any doubt, you can call me. You have my number, or you can ask questions in the class. Thank you so much. Bye.